Hi YouTube. I thought about to do an update considering it's been 3 weeks today. It's nearly 12 o'clock, so it's nearly 3 weeks one day. Not heaps has changed at all. The swelling's gone down a little bit. I still got a bit through here. As you can see, it's a bit. And just here. Coming down there. I feel that it's very tender, like, oh, that pressure. What else? I've taken this band off. I haven't spoken to my dentist about it yet, but this screw is coming out. So when I had my tads put in the day before my surgery, I had to put in every section of my mouth. And apparently these two were loose, so the surgeon had to take them out and replace them. So my original size ones look like this, which I thought were bad enough. And then my surgeon goes and puts this one in, which is just massive and uncomfortable. I've got two of those. But basically the problem is, the surgeon came to me after surgery and said I had to replace the bolts, the tad, sorry. But this one here is in a bad position because it's right in between your two teeth. So my gum has been inflamed there ever since. Started to reject the tad, and it's so it's swollen and it's irritating and it's loosened. So when I have the band on, it feels like it's going to pull out, which they said could happen. So I'm just avoiding wearing it for now. I'll speak to my dentist on Monday. It's Friday now. But basically they only said that I was wearing the bands, mainly to keep my mouth shut. Well, not shut, but so I don't open it heaps wide. Still having a bit of trouble with my S's, as you can probably hear. I've been going out a bit more, trying to get back into real life, I guess. Still a bit self-conscious. It's just, I found it really hard to, more emotionally than physically. It's a big change. I'm just really looking forward to all the swelling being going down so you can see the end result, but I'm getting there. So I'm still putting ice on, and I'm only taking Nurofen now, and that's more for the swelling, so I have to try and get that go down. I find, like many people, when I wake up in the morning is when I'm at my worst. But yeah, my smile is slowly returning. Basically, I've still got my stitches in. They're meant to be dissolvable stitches. I'm meant to have started dissolving last week. Haven't budged. They feel bigger than ever. I can feel them all through my mouth. Yeah, they're really uncomfortable. My mouth is just really irritated right now with all the bolts and stuff, and I find myself constantly making weird faces. Just blowing my cheeks out so the pressure is relieved from the swelling on my cheeks pushing on the bolts, and just just trying to get relief from them. But yeah, so my smile still looks odd, but it's getting better. So I'll show you my profiles. So yeah, slowly getting there. been eating a bit more, lots of milkshakes, loving the milkshakes. But yeah, not much else has changed. I'm still not back at work. Basically because I've only just built up my energy. But I work in a clothes store, and I'm a VIP host in a nightclub in the city that gets pretty busy, so I don't want it. They're both a lot about the way you look, I guess, and your presentation and blah blah blah. And I just don't have the confidence yet. So, and standing in heels for like 10 hours, so I can't see my energy levels liking that much. So yeah, I've got this weekend and next weekend off, so it was just a full month like of weekends, so 4 weekends off. So but I'm kind of looking forward to going back to work. But other than that, I can't really think of much else to fill you guys in on. If you want to know anything or want me to talk about anything in particular next week on my 4-week poster, just let me know and I'll address it. Okay, thanks guys.